Hello YouTube, welcome back. This is Will Tate, Yacht Boss, representing Not 10 Yacht Sales. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2008 Fairline Phantom 50. Let's get into it. Welcome to the bow. Great lounger for up front. Windlass controls. Great freeboard for walking around the boat, putting lines out or fenders out. Nice high railing. Great cockpit. Cushions are in great shape. Generous room on the swim platform with dinghy chocks. This boat is a Euro style boat, so most of the time in Europe they will back into a slip. This boat does have a passerelle on the back, allows you to enter and exit the boat from the stern. Day hatch is located in the center of the cockpit. Engine room access. Volvo D12s, just under 600 hours. Starting in the salon, we have a very generous U-shaped couch with a table in the middle. Upgraded Fusion radio. Salon air conditioner. Being a Euro style boat, it is going to be equipped with a galley up. Perfect for entertaining guests while you're hanging out in the salon. Galley includes a dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop. Nice double squared sink. Welcome to the helm. This Fairline 50 is pretty well thought out. Again, the European design boats are a little laid out a little differently than your US style boats. The control panel for your 24, 12 volt, and 240 volt systems are located here. Up top, this boat is equipped with a seakeeper. Also, looking at your analog gauges along the top, we do have an upgraded Raymarine touchscreen. Shift and throttle controls for your Volvo D12s. Nice thing about this boat, it does come equipped with a bow and stern thruster. That's huge for maneuverability. Last but not least, we've got our autopilot and depth finder. Rocker switches, still in great shape. One of the great things about having a lower helm, if you do have an inclement day and you need to drive downstairs, this boat has the ability to do so. Dual helm boats are fantastic. This boat is equipped with 3 staterooms. Let's take a peek. Portside stateroom. It's got double beds for the kids. Plenty of closet storage. Stateroom number 2 is equipped with a full queen bed. And again, plenty of storage. Your day head bathroom is very spacious with a separate shower. Macerator heads as well. Very good thing. Up in the VIP, plenty of room, plenty of locker storage on both sides, equipped with a TV. The VIP is your master, has its own separate shower and macerator can. Very generous steps going up to the Flybridge, so if you're carrying anything with a nice railing, makes it very easy. Welcome to the Flybridge. Very spacious seating for entertaining. This is where you want to hang out on a very nice day. Just above the helm, boat has great visuals. Welcome to the Flybridge helm. Got a nice iPad holder for, I always like using an iPad and avionics to when I'm taking long trips. Engine controls here, bow thruster controls here. Again, autopilot and upgraded depth finder, upgraded chart plotter as well. VHF radio, stereo remotes located here as well. Analog controls. Up on the Flybridge, we also have a grill, refrigerator, and a sink. Great U-shaped couch with a big table. It's great for hanging out. Well, guys, welcome back. We just took a look at this 2008 Fairline Phantom 50. Great functional boat. Great stateroom, sleeping capacity. If you got a few kids and they want to bring some friends, it's a fantastic platform for doing that. Again, this is a Euro style boat. It is, designed for functionality. With the dual helms, being able to drive upstairs or downstairs in inclement weather, just a great overall versatile boat. The seatkeeper on this boat is fantastic to have because in rough seas, if your significant other gets seasick, etc., turn that on. Boat's not going to rock as bad in a rough sea situation. If you'd like to take a look at this boat, please schedule an appointment with me. My name is Will Tate, Yacht Boss, representing Not 10 Yacht Sales. My number is 410-353-3380. Happy to discuss the details of the boat with you and schedule an appointment. Have a great day. Thanks, YouTube, for watching. For more boats, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.